Welcome to the Paulson Topics series. Today we're talking about Wildland firefighter goggles and specifically models 510 WHU and 510 WHUN. These are universal attaching designs that are designed to fit wildland firefighting helmets. This is a typical wildland firefighting helmet. This is the helmet adapter, and this is our model of the goggle. These goggles feature a quick adjustments for the strap, bezels that include covered vents for chemical splash protection, soft silicone frames, hard-coated lenses, anti-fog interiors, design of a high-volume goggle so you can wear eyewear underneath the goggle. And these goggles are designed to be worn either directly on your head or they can be worn on the helmet. In this particular case, we have this universal adapter. This universal adapter slips onto the helmet and allows you to mount your goggle in a way that is very, very secure. For model 510 WHU, it comes with this universal helmet adapter. This adapter fits on over the top of your Wildland helmet, and you slip it over the edge of the helmet, as you see here. There's a sticker on the front that indicates that this strap should be to the front side of this unit. Repeat on the other side, pull it over, and put it over the brim. Now what we've done is we've created a clip on the underside of the helmet that the strap can run through. Now that we've mounted the goggle adapter to the helmet, we're going to have to mount the goggle to this assembly. Place it over the top with the elastic strap as shown. Pull the goggle underneath the front of the helmet just as if it was being worn. Turn it over and thread this strap, the goggle strap, through this small adapter. If you thread it in on one side all the way over and then pull it over to the other side, it will easily go into place. Repeat on the opposite side. And then pull the goggle back up onto the front of the helmet. Now your goggle has been mounted to the helmet. It can be pulled into the worn position. You can adjust the length of the strap, the tension. And the goggle is very secure on this helmet. Can't fall off in any position, easily pulled down or pulled back up, and easily adjusted with the quick adjustment strap here on the side. This is model 510 WHUN. It includes the nose guard, same features of the bezel, the soft frame, the interior space to allow prescription glasses or safety glasses, the quick adjustment strap, and it comes with the adapter as you saw me install onto this helmet. The only difference of this model number is that it includes the nose guard.